The capybara, Hydrochoerus, is the largest rodent in the world, native to South America. These large, semi-aquatic mammals are found in a variety of habitats such as forests, grasslands, and near bodies of water like rivers and ponds. Capybaras are known for their social behavior and are often found in groups. Here are some key features and characteristics of capybaras. Size. Capybaras can weigh up to 150 pounds and have a body length of about 3.3 to 4.4 feet. Some classifications list capybaras as the only members of family Hydrochoeridae, whereas others place them within the subfamily Hydrochoerinae of the family Cavidae. Capybaras resemble the cavy and the guinea pig. Appearance. They have a sturdy, barrel-shaped body with short legs. Their fur is coarse and usually brownish in color. Capybaras have webbed feet, which make them excellent swimmers. Capybaras are short-haired brownish rodents with blunt snouts, short legs, small ears, and almost no tail. They are shy and associate in groups along the banks of lakes and rivers. Habitat. Capybaras are highly adaptable and can be found in a range of environments, from dense forests to open grasslands. They are excellent swimmers and often inhabit areas near water. Capybaras are found only in areas where water is easily accessible. Flooded grasslands are a favored habitat, as are marsh edges and lowland forests where grazing is good and there is water year-round. However, they occupy a range of habitats, including dry forest, scrub, and grasslands throughout South America. Diet. These herbivores primarily feed on grasses and aquatic plants. They have specialized digestive systems that allow them to extract maximum nutrients from their plant-based diet. Social structure. Capybaras are highly social animals and often live in groups, known as a capybara herd or capybara gang. The group is usually led by a dominant male, and they engage in cooperative behaviors for protection against predators. They normally feed in the morning and evening and spend most of the day resting under cover along the banks. They are vegetarian and in cultivated areas sometimes become pests by eating melons, grain, and squash. They swim and dive readily and commonly enter water to elude predators such as jaguars and anacondas. Behavior. While capybaras are generally gentle, they can be very wary of predators. They are known to communicate through a variety of vocalizations, including barks, whistles, and purrs. Capybaras live in groups of around 10 adults of both sexes, although groups can range in size from 3 to 30 and larger aggregations often form around water resources during the dry season. Each group maintains and defends a territory that encompasses feeding and wallowing sites. Among males, there is a strict dominance hierarchy enforced by chasing and, rarely, fights. Group living appears to be extremely important to capybara survival. Without a group, an individual is excluded from most grazing habitat and has no chance of finding a mate, so solitary capybaras are seldom found. Capybara society is relatively stable over the course of time. Group membership changes rarely and a territory can be maintained by one group for over 3 years. Because of their large body size, capybaras are susceptible to heat stress. Reproduction. Capybaras are prolific breeders. Females usually give birth to litters of 2 to 8 pups after a gestation period of around 150 days. The young are precocial, meaning they are born relatively mature and able to move around shortly after birth. Capybaras don't mind being alone, but they also live in groups of up to 40. Their breeding season varies throughout the year depending on what habitat they live in and the availability of mates. Females usually have one litter of 4 to 5 young per year. Though considered to have a stable population overall, in some areas capybaras are severely threatened by people who hunt them for their skin, and some local populations have been wiped out. Relationship with humans. Capybaras are hunted for their meat and hide in some parts of South America, while in other regions, they are kept as pets. They are also sometimes seen in captivity in zoos around the world. Vocalization appears to be very important in capybara groups, but the purpose of many of the sounds made is unknown. However, young vocalize almost constantly and vocal communication among adults is also common. Individuals bark to warn the group of danger. This often results in the whole group rushing into the relative safety of the water. Scent is also important, especially in mating and establishing dominance. Capybaras are interesting and unique creatures, known for their friendly and sociable nature. They have become increasingly popular in various cultures and are often featured in media and online due to their charming appearance and behaviors.